So they wrote a song about it, and that's what I exactly did it. I wrote this song a few weeks ago, and hope you enjoy it.
Dạ, sợ mua ra ra.
Anh này thì các bạn
Hiểu rõ rồi. Về cũng được.
anh này
Rõ rồi vào bia.
đi chỗ nấu ở trên đấy
I've been running all around, not knowing where I should start. I've been chasing after something, not knowing it was just a bubble. Oh, I wanna break out of the shell and say to the world, this is me. Oh, when I think of myself, I used to get tons of goosebumps all around. I might not be wise, but I'm not the blockhead. Though I got hibbies, I still gotta find a way to be me. Oh, 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 this is me. I've been working on something, not knowing I will make it. Yeah, I will make it. Oh, good going. 'Cause God knows that I'm still trying. 'Cause I wanna break out of the shell and say to the world, this is me. Oh, when I think of myself, I used to get tons of goosebumps all around. I might not be wise, but I'm not the blockhead. Though I got hibbies, I still gotta find a way to be me. Oh, 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 this is me. 'Cause I wanna break out of the shell and say to the world, this is me. Oh, I love to be me. I still gotta find a way to be me.